Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to factor trinomials when a is greater than 1 and the method, I don't know if this method has a name, but I'm gonna call it dividing by a method. So let's just look at it. First thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure that your polynomial that you wanna factor is in standard form. In standard form, that means ax squared plus bx plus c. So it means that you have to order the terms from highest exponent to the lowest. So obviously this one is not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write this in standard form first. So I have 4x squared plus x minus 3. So now when this polynomial is in standard form, we can label a, b, and c. So let's label a, b, and c. So a, leading coefficient 4, b, invisible 1, right? There is no number, it's invisible 1. Careful, this is not 0, otherwise this term would disappear. And then we have a c, negative 3. Okay, so let's do the X or diamond. On the top, we're gonna write a times c. So it's a times c. And on the bottom is b. So what is a times c? 4 times negative 3, negative 12. And on the bottom is 1. So now we have to find two numbers that will multiply to negative 12 and add to 1. So let's try 4 times negative 3. Okay, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. That works. And 4 minus 3 equals positive 1. That works. So 4 and negative 3 would work. We're gonna write 4 and negative 3. So next step, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna write those terms over here as a x plus 4 and x minus 3. Now this might look like I'm making a mistake because I shouldn't do that. The a is positive 4, it's not 1. However, the next step is dividing by a. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take those terms, or I'm gonna take the values 4 and negative 3, and I'm gonna divide by a. So in this case, I'm gonna divide by 4 here and divide by 4 here. Why do I want to divide by 4? Well, at the beginning we multiplied by 4. So we did a times negative 3. Now we're going to divide by 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the first term, x plus 1. So 4 divided by 4. But 3 divided by 4 will not give us an integer. So in this case, we're gonna take this 4 and then we're gonna move it up front and we're gonna write 4x minus 3. Basically, you're gonna take this number and you're just gonna move it in front of the x. Okay? And we get 4x minus 3. So this is how we factor with different method, and some students think this is simpler than diamond and box. Now, if you wanna know whether this is correct, what you're gonna do is you just can go back and distribute. So we have x times 4x is 4x squared, x times negative 3 is negative 3x, 1 times 4x is plus 4x, and 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Combine like terms, we get 4x squared plus x minus 3. Okay. So the correct answer, again, factored form, is gonna be x plus 1 and 4x minus 3. Now you can also write 4x minus 3 and then x plus 1. So it's the same answer. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching my videos.